Okay, how y'all doing? So today we have 2022. Well, not today, is the same day. Yeah, I know. So yeah, we have a 2022 Chevy Blazer. Only 18,000 miles. I mean, y'all can see that already. Look at those tires. Those tires are done for. Might as well go ahead. 330 seconds. Recommendation for replacement. You see this? Got worn edges. Worn edges automatically lets me know alignment, rear alignment to be exact, or if these tires were in the front and they rotated them to the back, front alignment. But it can also be a rear alignment if it has rear adjustments. Not all vehicles have rear adjustments. Some do, some don't. This also is 330 seconds. So right now on the passenger side, we both have 330 seconds, which is red according to the specs, which would be a recommendation for 2 tires already. I'm pretty sure if the passenger side looks like that, the driver's side will be exactly the same. Let's see, we have extra wheel caps and big batteries, I guess, whatever. Well, we got power roof, power lift gate. Same type of wear back here too, worn edges. As you can see, how those edges are worn. It's all alignment. 18,000 miles though. Told you. Low miles doesn't mean that the tires can't wear, you know. So I doubt it's gonna need any brakes. I mean, the passenger side is about 530 seconds. You want it? You talking about the blue one, right? Okay. Of course, look at the motor. 2.0. Decent. Fairly low miles. It's a brand new car. Still gonna check the filters. Still gonna check the oil. Even though I change the oil on every car. 2.0 4-cylinder. He's also coming in V6. Chevy Blazer, 2022. Pretty good looking vehicle. To the dash, only 18,000 miles on it. You know how we do it. Go ahead and start the process. I already checked the tires. It's gonna be 4 tires. And if you're ever worried about what tire size, you can always find the correct tire size for your vehicle. You can always find the correct PSI for your vehicle right here at the driver door, which would be our door label sticker. Just go ahead and type in the RO number, because I do take pictures of every car also that I inspect. You know, check the inside door handles, check the window. Check the seat belt buckle. Make sure, you know, make sure the seat comes down. You know, checking the tail lights. It has parking sensors. see. Clean interior. Folds down fine. Dome lights work fine. Like basically a brand new car.